To apply for the Budeshi Mini Grant 2025, you go to www.budeshi.ng on Google and you click on the grant application. So basically this is what your portal would look like upon going to the application. You click on the grant application and it redirects you to the grant programs where you can see the open applications. You can see the Budeshi Mini Grant is taking in applications, and you can also view further details about this grant. So under the Budeshi Mini Grant, you can be able to see a brief description of what Budeshi Mini Grant is meant to offer, and also see the timelines and the requirements and eligibility criteria for this particular grant. Then I will be heading back to grants now and click on apply. So apply routes you to the login page where I can click on sign up to sign up into an account. So I'll go ahead and enter and input my details. My name is then click on sign up, and after signing up it basically asks me to verify my account, where I get a verification code. I will go ahead and input the verification code that was sent to my Gmail right now. So the verification code I got was 629330, and I will go ahead to verify my account, and my account is successfully verified. So I click on my email to log in as gospel@devontech.io and input the password that I just set. Then I go ahead to log into my Budeshi account. And in here, you see it says welcome back Heraldo. It basically navigates to the dashboard where I can track my projects and monitor my system performance. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be going straight to the grants and we'll be trying to apply for the Budeshi Grant, Mini Grant. So I'm going to click on apply now, and basically here I can then proceed to apply. So I first fill in my organization details. I fill in Devon Technologies because that's where I work for. Then my organization is located in FCT. My organization is a registered business, and I'm also going to upload my CAC. So then I would identify my organization's thematic focus, and here we are saying we work on civic engagement, and you click on save and next, which takes you to the next page, which is the contact person's information. So in this page you are able to put in who we are able to contact for the grant if you move on to the next stage, if you're shortlisted. And you go to the save and next stage, and in here you are able to put in like some questions that are related to what your organization does and what work you have done. So this will basically be monitoring works you've done, and it's about 50 words. It's the maximum of 50 words, so you can put in, but you try as much as possible to make sure this is explanatory enough. So in here I'm just going to be putting a test description and how would this grant help support your organization. This one is by 100 words, so we want to know how this particular grant can help you out and can support your organization. I'm also going to be putting a description. Then describe your organization's experience in tracking government projects. So in here you have a total of a maximum of 150 words. Also using a text description. Then I'll go to the save and next button. Then in here it should ask me a question: are you familiar with Budeshi? You can answer yes or no. Then I'm going to answer yes. Then I'm going to share a brief account of my experience using the platform, and I'm also going to share, and it can take up to a maximum of 100 words. Then I would also answer the question: have you ever used the FOI Act to request information? In which I'll be putting yes, and in here to be asking me to describe my experience, and I'm also going to put a text description. Then in here I'm going to make a link to a 30 seconds video on my monitoring approach, and I would upload on my social media and tag Budeshi across all social media. So we will want to see that link in here. So I'm going to upload an Instagram link and go to save and next. Then in here you can see there is an important notice, which is procurement data, which is a procurement data requirement. And in here, as part of your grant requirement, each applicant is expected to submit data on 10 procurement projects. download the template below to get started. In here, I can click on the project template and have that particular template downloaded. And you should please note one thing that is important is you can start uploading this procurement record on the 7th of August 2025, and the deadline for uploading records is the 13th of August 2025 by 11:59 p.m. and this time frame is intended to ensure that all submitted data includes verifiable links. There could be OCIDs, and also there could be e-tender links, as well as a particular governmental link, just something that we can use to verify that is an actual project, and also that we can use to verify that this project is actually accurate and has been released by the government. So the next step would be, okay, I have downloaded the project template, and then you now wait for 7th of August where you would be able to upload this particular procurement record that you have, this particular procurement project that you have downloaded.